ये रिश्ते हैं प्यार के जब ऑफर गया तो शहीर के फैंस थोड़े से नाराज़ हो गए, थोड़े शॉक्ड हो गए, उदास भी हो गए, बट उसके बाद इतनी लाइन लगी है शहीर के काम की, उनके सिंगल्स की, एल्बम्स की, शोज़ की, कि काउंट करना मुश्किल हो गया है। और पर्सनल लाइफ तो आपको पता ही है, हर तरफ चर्चा है, जो एक सरप्राइज था फैंस के लिए। वेल, मेनी कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस फॉर एवरीथिंग।
Thank you so much.
हाउ इज लाइफ गोइंग?
Okay, I mean, मेरे लिए भी surprises ही
You
है.
can't say okay because there are too many happenings. Yeah.
I know. A lot of things have been happening recently in my personal life as well as work front. But yeah, everything is good. I mean, I'm enjoying this phase as well. So after a very long time, I'm not doing a daily show. So I have the time to do other things. That's how everything started happening, and how I thought of going ahead with so many things. Yeah.
So let's start with this, your unique poster. I can see बहुत ही अलग लुक है पौरुषपुर का। हाथ में तलवार है, एग्रेशन दिख रहा है, बहुत कुछ दिख रहा है, इसमें एक्सप्रेशन के साथ है। सबसे पहले इसके बारे में बात करते हैं, पौरुषपुर के बारे में बताइए, क्या है एग्जैक्टली?
पौरुषपुर बेसिकली वीर जो मेरा कैरेक्टर है, what I like about him is that what he stands for, because his love was taken away from him, and there is a Rajya called Paurushpur where women are ill-treated, and he wants to change that.
Okay.
He wants to make sure that everyone gets equal opportunities and they are allowed to live their life the way they want to. So he's using his anger and aggression to resolve these problems in the society, which I think made me excited about the character, is the reason I felt like I should do the show.
Okay.
Yeah.
So वेब सीरीज़ है, बहुत सारी फ्रीडम है डेली सोप से, या क्या है? अगर मैं बोलूँ कि डेली सोप और वेब सीरीज़ में क्या अंतर है आपके हिसाब से, और कितना आपको मज़ा आया इसे शूट करने में?
See, मेरे लिए मेरे काम को लेके कुछ डूज एंड डोंट्स है. अदरवाइज अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट मुझे नहीं लगता कि कोई भी डिफरेंस है, be it movies, be it web or TV shows, because my approach is the same. I will only approach every character in a certain way. Like, see, if you live the character, audience also will believe in whatever you're saying, believe in your character. They'll relate to you, they'll feel your emotion, and that's what works in every medium, is what I feel.
And personally, I have seen कुछ रंग प्यार के ऐसे ही, ये रिश्ते हैं प्यार के, yes, my favorite show, I must tell you.
Thank you.
Seriously. मेरे कैमरामैन जब सेट पे जाते थे तो बहुत सारा फुटेज लाते थे, बोलते थे कि ये मैम का फेवरेट शो है.
Wow, that's amazing. Thank you.
Yeah, and I have seen, मतलब जो भी आपका कैरेक्टर रहता है ना, एक अलग रहता है. It's not that okay, Shahir is playing, it's looking same or something, some match, nothing like that. So how do you manage that? It's your like focus कि जो कैरेक्टर में नेक्स्ट प्ले करने वाला हूँ वो पहले से अलग होना चाहिए, kind of.
That every actor would want. So every actor would want to play different characters. Why? Because he does not want to repeat what he has done in the past, right? He would want to do something new. She would want to do something new. So same goes with me also. I would always want to play new characters, and I've been very lucky, honestly speaking. Been very lucky that I got those kind of projects. Like after Navya, which was a cute romantic love story, Boy Next Door, to Mahabharat was a drastic change for me. Like, people did not even recognize me in that attire, because I had gained 20 kgs and I was looking very different. People did not recognize me, but still they appreciated the show, my work. So it was a very big thing for me. I think that's where I felt like maybe I can be an actor. Till then, I was not sure, because when you prove yourself in one genre and then you do something completely different and people like that as well, that gives you that confidence. I think I always strive or try to do different characters.
Well, I still watch Mahabharat only.
Wow.
Same Mahabharat, yeah.
Even I actually.
It's a very nice show, seriously.
Yes,
it's
yes,
very
I
nice.
totally agree with you. Because so many people worked so hard on that show. And when you put in your 100% effort and with pure honesty, then people will love it.
But the best part is कि जो हमारे पास ऑलरेडी एक पुरानी महाभारत थी, अभी भी है और वो रिपीट पे चल भी रही है, उसके बावजूद एक नई महाभारत नए कास्ट के साथ आई और इतनी मतलब फैन फॉलोइंग, इतने लोगों ने पसंद किया. दैट वाज द बेस्ट पार्ट.
I think for today's generation, for today's kids, it was important. उन बच्चों को वो स्टोरीज बताना बहुत ज़रूरी था, क्योंकि वो शायद वो पुरानी महाभारत नहीं देखते, बच्चे छोटे बच्चे होते हैं जो आजकल एवेंजर्स देखते हैं. फॉर देम इट वाज मोर at par with those graphics and effects and performances. I think they could relate to it, or maybe they could they felt more excited about this one. Yeah, and it was important for us to make something like that so that we can tell them everything about our mythology.
ओके, मैंने पौरशपुर का टीजर देखा, जो भी छोटे छोटे क्लिप्स आउट हैं, सेट बहुत अच्छा बना है.
Yes.
जिस तरह से आप लोगों का लुक एंड फील डिसाइड किया है, कपड़ों को लेकर हर चीज़, सेट बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है. और वो एक पार्ट ऑफ अट्रैक्शन है, लाइक 2 मिनट के लिए आप सेट देखने के लिए भी रुक सकते हैं. सो टेल मी अबाउट दैट.
I think one of the main reasons it's looking so grand and rich is because of the sets. And of course, the DOP, the director, they have worked very hard on this. But apart from that, the sets are so beautiful.
Correct.
They are actually they give you that larger than life feel. And that's how, when you're on a set like that, you also feel like giving your best, and you also feel that, you are in that zone.
Correct.
Yeah, it adds to your performance as well, the environment you're in. So I think the sets are really beautiful, and they have done a very good job with the sets and the costumes as well. Yeah.
What about Shilpa, another star cast? Like it's a multi-cast kind of web series. बहुत सारे लोग हैं, बहुत सारे shades दिख रहे हैं जो teasers में अब तक जो मैंने देखा है. So tell me about that.
I feel very honored that I got the opportunity to work with such big actors. I mean, अभी तक तो उनको टीवी पर देखा है, मूवीज में ही देखा है. जो पूरी कास्ट है, काफ़ी सीनियर एक्टर्स हैं हमारे शो में. तो honestly, I don't have many scenes with the actors. I have just one scene with Milan sir, and I was a little nervous as well shooting for that scene because I've seen him on screen since the time I was a kid. So yeah, वो nervous energies थी, मगर excitement भी थी of course.
Congratulations again for शादी.
Yes, thank you.
अचानक से ये कैसे प्लान हो गया, वो भी लॉकडाउन में? आई मीन नो धूम धड़ाका, नो एकदम ग्रैंड सेलिब्रेशन, बट हो गया.
I'm a simple guy. I like to keep things simple as much as I can, and I think lockdown ने हमें ये realize करवाया कि आप आगे के लिए planning नहीं कर सकते. जो भी करना है अभी कीजिए, क्योंकि आगे का कोई भरोसा नहीं है क्या होने वाला है. So I think that's what also made us take the decision.
So how's life going post-wedding?
Amazing. I'm having the best time of my life. I think it's gonna get more and more exciting, and yeah. See, the thing is, I have time for myself right now, which is amazing. All my life, I guess almost 12 years, I've been doing daily soaps back to back. So I never got the time to actually live and be Shahir as well. Because most of the time I'm just playing a character. And when I'm playing a character, I'm so involved in it that I can't be myself. So it's for the first time, I guess, I'll be Shahir for a long time.
So what was the reaction of Ruchika on this, especially Porashpur?
Not exactly. We don't discuss work at all. Yeah.
Okay.
At all. I think the reason I could I could take this decision is because for the first time I was I was effortlessly myself, and I was at ease with her. So when you are friends with someone, you reach that point that you are so comfortable that you can be yourself. I guess, yeah. So we keep all this away from our personal life.
अच्छा, अभी एक 24th को कुछ आपका सरप्राइज आ रहा है, देन एक सिंगल आया है, बस अब क्या बस जान लेगी, समथिंग लाइक दैट.
अब क्या जान लेगी मेरी?
अब क्या जान लेगी मेरी? मैंने बोला था ना पहले, बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं और काउंट करना मुश्किल है.
It's very interesting for me also because it's a hip hop track, it's a rap, and plus I'm dancing as well, like all of us are. So, and Rashmi is there, and Sana is there, and Palash the singer is there. So it's quite exciting. कुछ अलग है. I have not done anything like that before. मेरे लिए भी थोड़ा experimental था. And that's what, as I said, कुछ नया करना तो और exciting होता है, exciting लगता है. You feel like putting more effort into it because it's something new. You have not done that before. So yeah, it was quite exciting shooting for it. We did rehearsals for 2-3 days, and then this for the first time, like for a music video, we had to prepare and all.
शहीद, जब 2020 ये साल आया तो बोलने में बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग था 2020, और बहुत लोग एक्साइटेड थे इस ईयर के लिए क्योंकि यूनिक नंबर है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें होने वाली है। बट ये साल थोड़ा लोगों को सीख देकर चला गया, अभी जाने वाला है और एक्चुअली लोग वेट कर रहे हैं कि ये जाएगा कब, ऐसा हो गया है। सो हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस? वी आर इन दिसंबर, पूरे साल का एक्सपीरियंस स्पेशली ड्यूरिंग कोविड कैसा रहा? शोज हॉल्ट हो गए थे, ऑफर गया।
See, a lot of my friends feel like that life didn't really change for me because मैं वैसे भी घर पे ही रहने वाला इंसान हूँ, मैं बाहर ज़्यादा जाता नहीं हूँ। And anyways, I like to do all the work at home myself. So it was not drastically different for me, but I got more time to myself. Introspect करने का मौका मिला. I was able to, you know, really see from a third person's perspective what's happening in my life or what I'm supposed to do in my life. So it was a good time for me to, you know, think about all that, introspect. So eventually, it made me realize that how we are ill-treating our environment and how now it has reacted. I think it's very important for us to realize what mistakes we are doing and how we can make our world, like how we can take care of our environment and make sure that things like this don't happen in the future, because how it has affected our economy and the entire world is suffering.
Correct.
And how many people suffered because of this, and they still are. Hopefully we can come out of this as soon as possible, but we have to learn from our mistakes, what all we have done in the past, to, you know, to reach this point.
Okay. And after December, New Year's coming, 2021. What are the plans? काफ़ी चीज़ें तो आ ही गई हैं, but especially किस तरह से नए साल को आप देखते हैं? क्या उम्मीदें हैं इस साल से?
मैं प्लान कभी नहीं कर पाता. I'm not the kind of a person who will plan things for future. It's because generally whenever you plan something, that doesn't happen. So I don't want to disappoint myself. What I do is I wish for things. I hope and I wish that I am able to give more time to my family, spend more time in Jammu, and yeah, do something which is inspirational, do something which gives the right message out there and educate our audience.
Your fans are crazy about you. I have personally seen like Twitter पे, Insta पे, everything. So कितने connect हो पाते हैं आप उनसे personally कभी Insta और social किसी भी networking site के?
मैं जितना भी I try to avoid using my phone, but whenever I can, that's the only thing I go online for. Because उनका opinion जानना भी ज़रूरी है मेरे लिए. They are the reason I am who I am today. Because they show so much love for me is the reason people want to work with me. It is very simple. If they don't want to see me, nobody would want to work with me, right?
Correct.
So it's very important for me what they think about it, what their opinion is, and at the same time, it is a responsibility, like my responsibility, that what kind of message I put out there, how and what I tell them. So yeah, I try to give out the right message and inspire them the right way as much as I can. Yeah, and as I said, their feedback is very important for me.
Correct. Well, thank you so much and all the best for your future and especially for this Porishpur.
Thank you so much. Means a lot.
एक मुझे